that wine you sell off. My girl get jealous, so you make me laugh.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm just trying out new products today. Before I jump into the video, I know my brows probably look weird, well this one to be specific, because I ended up taking off too much hair on this brow. I shaped it just a while ago and that happened, but I'm just wearing this headscarf. As you guys saw in the title, I'm going to be trying a bunch of new products today from like 2 different brands, Black Radiance and Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. And oh, I have some new contact lenses from Bolongies.com. It's been a while since I've worn any contact lens, so you know, I felt like I wanted to do that today. These are the 2 that I'm working with, so I'm only going to be wearing one. I'm just showing you guys what I got. I feel like I want to try Glass Ball Brown, Snow Dare Choco or Cocoa, I don't know if that's how you. This is the Snow Dare one, and then I have the Glass Ball Brown, but it has a like dark rim around the edge, so I feel like I'm leaning towards this one. I don't know if you guys can see from there, but I'm pretty sure this is what I'm going to try out. You guys know I've been rocking with Bolongies for like years now, and the discount code is still the same, Petite-Sue, so go ahead and use my discount code for if you purchase one of the lenses from Bolongies.com, any cosmetic lens, you get 2 for free. 2, that's lit. Go ahead and check that out, you know, make use of my discount code. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in before I do anything else. So I'll link these lenses down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Yeah, I know you guys are probably wondering what's going on. As I said, I have on a scarf. I'm going to apply my wig in a few after applying my makeup, so let's go ahead and jump right into the rest of the video. I have a brow pomade today from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know if you've been keeping up, but I mentioned in a couple of videos ago that I really don't like pomades for my brows, but I'm gonna give this a try. I always try new stuff when I can here and there. I don't always switch it up frequently, but today we're gonna try out this. This is in the shade Ebony from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. All right, so I'm gonna, ooh, this is pigmented. Oh Lord, I don't always get pomades that are very well pigmented. This is dark. I have to be using a very light hand for this. This is good. And I'm using this angle brush from Sigma. This is a small angle E65 brush. As you guys can see, I haven't dipped back into the brow pomade as yet. Not sure if I'm even going to do so. This is so well pigmented. I've just been embracing my natural brow hairs. I'll clean that up in a few. I know the edges kind of look a bit harsh. Really like it. Shout out to Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. This doesn't mean that I'm going to switch from my brow pencils, but this was actually really good. So I have all the concealers and correctors here, and I took out this one from Black Radiance. So this one, it is the True Complexion HD Corrector. Oh, these are correctors. I'm actually going to clean up my brows with this. So usually you apply this before your foundation, like over any blemishes and stuff, but I'm actually going to use this to clean up my eyebrow. Done with the brows. They're not looking bad at all. I really love the way they came out, and as you can see, I balanced out this one so you can't see the imperfection. So now I'm just gonna move on to priming. I did not get a new primer. I'm gonna go in with my regular Cover FX. And then it's foundation time, so I'm gonna be trying out their foundation once more. I tried it once. I don't remember what shade I tried, if it was Rum Spice or Cocoa Bean, but I have both here and I'm leaning more towards Rum Spice. So you know, they have a wand. Okay, it's not the exact matte, and I'm just gonna take that much and do this entire side. I'm gonna go with this. I can always you know, balance it out. And you know what, I'm doing this because a lot of people been just requesting me to try out foundations, even though I don't wear it on a daily basis, even if it's just in my videos. So you know, I'm gonna listen to you guys and, you know, just start incorporating it more. But that doesn't mean it's all the time. I'm gonna try it out here and there. I really love the way my brows are looking. Like, they look super sharp, super snatched. I'm gonna go back in with the corrector to highlight actually. Everything looks so flawless so far. I'm like extremely pleased. So you know what? Today, I haven't done this in a while, but today I'm going to chisel my face just because I can. And it's been a while, and I think you guys deserve some change. So I am going to actually have the contour kits here. Medium, light to medium, and medium to dark for both the powders and the creams. So I'm gonna do some cream contouring. I'm gonna be going in with this shade, and it just says contour. Really don't want to see any harsh lines. Guys, I know I look so basic in the hair department right now, but listen. This video might be a bit lengthy because I'm going to explain each step, so I hope you can appreciate that. Now it's basically time to move on to setting everything. I didn't get a setting powder, so I'm just gonna use my regular banana powder to set. So to set my contour areas, I'm gonna go into the medium to dark contour palette, and I've been using this. This one isn't new. Everything else, yeah. Been using this. I really love it. I'm hitting pan with the bit. All right. So what I'm going to do is I blend contour and the sculpt shade to set my contour. And it's so pigmented, so you have to be careful, because you see that. So this is the reason why I have to go into the sculpt to blend it with it, so tone it down. So you need to be careful. All right, and kind of to balance out things, I take back my highlight brush and kind of go over it so it has no harsh lines. Did not get a face powder, so I'm just gonna go in with my usual, like for the rest of the face. That is. You see, I'm kind of doing like a reverse contour thing beneath the contour line. So for the powder I used to set the rest of my face, I'm just going down on the sides of my nose with that. So I don't necessarily take a contour shade. I just go down the sides of my nose with this. If you guys don't know my usual face powder, then are you even a divinity? But if you're a first timer, if it's the first time you're watching me, I use the Milani, which I'm hitting pan with. This is the Milani face powder in Warm 109. I'm going to be going in with my Playing in Makeup by Yolondo eyeshadow palette. This is the Jamrock Rebirth palette. The colors that are in the palette, I might want to do some yellow first for the transition. The yellow shade that's in there, the name of it is Sistrine. You know, like you're up on the road and, you know, a harassment scene and say, yo, Sistrine. So if you are from Jamaica, you definitely understand that term. I wish it was a little bit brighter, but that's fine. It still looks good. I'm gonna go in with the next shade, which is Sell Off. This one right here, really pretty, and this is well pigmented. I'm kind of rounding it because I don't think I'm going to do a wing liner today, so I'm rounding it out at the end, kinda ish. Still a bit elongated, but I don't mind. I'm kind of dragging it to the bottom here. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter palette to go on the lower lid area right there. And this has some gorgeous colors inside. It is coming up a bit more washed out than it really is. I want to go in with First Class, which has a purpley like hue to it. This one, I'm gonna use my finger, you know, I'm not going for a cut crease or anything. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's well pigmented. This is so pretty, guys. This is so pretty. I have my Black Radiance waterproof eyeliner. This is the liquid liner. I have this pencil, this retractable liner from Black Radiance, and it's in black as well. This is the Ultra Rich retractable eye pencil. And this is the Black Radiance Eye Appeal. This is it. I'm loving the way that came together. Now I'm just gonna apply my lashes and then come right back. I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna go back into the same highlighter palette, and I also have this highlighter, this baked bronzer. This is the Artisan Color Baked Bronzer 3519, and the name is Beautiful. They don't have any that's really super golden. This is the darkest one in this one, so I'm gonna test and see how these look. Let's try Paradise. It's not gonna work though. But I'm gonna have to balance it out because I already started to apply. So I'm gonna put some on this side and some on the other side. So I'm gonna go into my Artist Couture. Oh guys, you know how much I live for my Artist Couture. And I am loving the way everything is looking. I feel like I've said that like 10 times already. Alright, so for the final portion, I'm going to go in with mascara. And this is the Black Radiance Bold and Sexy Mascara De Fiber. So, that's it. So for the final portion, we're going in with lips, and I'm trying out my Gaelle Cosmetics lippy, and this is in Jeanie. So as you can see, I just went on the sides with a bit of liner to kind of just mute it down a bit, and I really love the effect that it gave off. I am in love with this entire look. That's it for this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know. It might not be some people's cup of tea, but that's fine because I love it, you know. But yeah, go ahead and give this video a big thumb up if you enjoyed this video, and you know, stay tuned for more. Yeah, so until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Go and make up for yourself.